There's a good chance that you have tons of images stored in your Cloudinary media library from tons of different sources. They probably have names that don't make a lot of sense and no tagging whatsoever. This is going to make it really hard for you to search your library and find what you're looking for. Of course, we could use Cloudinary's auto tagging add-on while we upload the images to give them tags. But what about those images that were there beforehand? In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add tags to existing images in your media library using the Node.js SDK. Cloudinary offers a Google auto tagging add-on that will add tags to images in your library. Once tagged, it's really easy to search through images based on their content. For example, if you're looking for a picture of a cat or of a mountain. Of course, you can automatically tag images as they're being uploaded, but we can also use the Cloudinary SDK update method to add tags to existing images in your library. Before we start writing any code, we'll have to go to our Cloudinary settings and enable the Google auto tagging add-on. Click on the settings cog, then add-ons, and you'll see the Google auto tagging add-on here. I've selected the free plan, which will give me 50 free monthly tags. Now in our code, you'll see I already have a Cloudinary SDK set up, configured, and ready to go, as well as one little helper method for logging the tags that we've applied. If we check out my Cloudinary media library, I've got a bunch of images, and none of them have any tags on them. Let's fix that. Let's use the Cloudinary SDK's update method to automatically add tags to an existing image in our library. This update method takes two arguments. The first is a string pointing to the image in your library, and the second is a set of options. We'll use this image of a guy typing on a computer as our first image to add tags to. The options object tells Cloudinary what we want to update. In this case, we want to add categorization from the Google tagging add-on. Additionally, we want to make sure that we only add tags that Google's pretty sure about. So we'll set the auto tagging property to 0.9, meaning that any tag that is 90% certain will be added to the image. Now that we have the response from the Cloudinary SDK, let's go ahead and log out the tags. We'll pass the response to our log tags function, and we should see this in the command line. Running the script shows that Google came up with a bunch of possible tags, many of which are relevant to the image that we have. However, we only applied the tags that were 90% or greater in certainty. So in this case, we added computer, computer keyboard, computer monitor, peripheral, personal computer, and table. Back in our Cloudinary media library, we can see that this picture of a guy typing on his laptop does have the new tags added automatically by the Google auto tagging add-on. But let's be real, you probably have lots of images in your Cloudinary media library that aren't tagged properly. So let's go back to our Node script and write a loop around multiple images to automatically give them tags. First, we'll set up a list of the images that we want to tag. Then we can loop through them and call the Cloudinary update API on each one, telling it to automatically add tags. Now we can await each of the promises and then log the tags for each one. If you are interested in more advanced ways to run many concurrent updates or uploads to Cloudinary, check out the video linked above. Hopping back to the terminal and running this on all 8 different images, you'll see we get 8 different sets of possible tags and 8 different sets of applied tags. Going back to our media library, you can now see that each image has lots of automatically applied tags thanks to Google. Next up, we'll show you how to use Cloudinary to extract the colors from an image.